Hi, this is AJ Jones with Heartland Cyclone Division. The 2018 stats just came out, and we're once again proud to announce that Cyclone is the #1 selling toy hauler in North America for the 8th year running. We couldn't be more proud of this accomplishment. We'd like to thank our loyal dealers and customers for continuously to make Cyclone the #1 selling toy hauler in North America. In light of your continued support, we'd like to launch a 52-part video series that shows all the different reasons and unique reasons that make Cyclone #1. Another big feature of the Cyclone is the fact that Heartland manufactures their own solid surface countertops in-house. This is a non-porous material. It actually is much thicker than a lot of our competitors out there, and also is built on a plywood base as compared to most of our competitors that build on OSB. Because of that additional strength in the plywood and a much thicker countertop material, you're much less prone for cracking.